1000 LB sisters Tammy Slaton apologizes after fans call her out in a recent turn of events that has captured the attention of reality TV fans everywhere. Tammy Slaton, the beloved and often controversial star of TLC's hit reality series 1000 LB Sisters, issued a heartfelt apology after a wave of far-end criticism. Known for her candid personality, unfiltered social media presence, and relatable struggles with weight and health, Tammy has often been in the public eye for both her achievements and her missteps. This latest apology comes after fans expressed concern and frustration over her recent posts, sparking a social media storm that left many wondering about the emotional toll on the reality star. Tammy Slaton, who has faced numerous health challenges and weight loss journeys over the years, has built a connection with fans through her transparency and vulnerability. The relationship, however, is not without its challenges, and in recent weeks, several posts on her social media platforms drew sharp reactions. Some fans criticized her for content they found concerning, while others expressed disappointment over perceived insensitivity in her captions and videos. The scrutiny prompted Tammy to reflect and respond publicly. Tammy's apology, which she shared on her Instagram story and other social media platforms, reflected both remorse and a desire to mend her connection with fans. In her statement, she acknowledged the hurt her actions may have caused, expressing genuine regret for any offense and misunderstanding. She emphasized that her intentions were never to upset her followers but rather to share her experiences authentically. The apology read, in part, "I want to apologize to anyone I hurt or upset with my recent posts. I never meant to offend anyone, and I truly appreciate all the love and support I've received. I'm learning and growing, and I hope you can forgive me." Tammy's acknowledgement of her missteps highlights the delicate balance reality TV stars must maintain between authenticity and public perception. Fans have long admired her for being unfiltered, but this incident illustrates how quickly public opinion can turn when boundaries are crossed, intentionally or otherwise. Social media has given fans unprecedented access to the lives of reality stars, and the immediate feedback loop can be both supportive and critical. In Tammy's case, the criticism seemed to strike a chord, prompting introspection and a willingness to engage in accountability. Analysts of reality TV culture note that public apologies like Tammy's can serve multiple purposes: reconciling with fans, maintaining brand integrity, and demonstrating personal growth. For Tammy, whose personal health journey has been closely followed on 1000 LB Sisters, the apology also underscores her ongoing effort to navigate fame while coping with personal challenges. The reality star's interaction with fans has always been a double-edged sword. On one hand, her openness allows viewers to connect with her struggles and triumphs on a deeply personal level. On the other hand, such transparency can lead to intense scrutiny, as fans feel a sense of ownership over her choices and behavior. This dynamic became evident when fans called her out on social media, leading to discussions across multiple platforms, including Instagram, Twitter, and fan forums dedicated to 1000 LB Sisters. Tammy's response was praised by some for its sincerity and humility. Many fans acknowledged her courage in addressing the criticism head-on, noting that public figures are often hesitant to apologize, fearing backlash or damage to their image. By taking responsibility for her actions, Tammy demonstrated emotional intelligence and respect for her audience, which may strengthen her bond with followers over time. Others, however, remain skeptical, debating whether the apology was prompted by genuine remorse or external pressure. This conversation highlights the complicated nature of celebrity accountability in the digital age. Tammy Slaton's journey on 1000 LB Sisters has been one of resilience, vulnerability, and determination. From battling severe obesity and health complications to navigating complex family dynamics, her story resonates with many viewers who see parts of their own struggles reflected in hers. The recent incident and subsequent apology provide another layer to this narrative, showing that personal growth is an ongoing process, even in the public eye. Social media experts emphasize that the way Tammy handled the situation is an example of crisis management for public figures. Addressing fan concerns directly and transparently can help diffuse tension and rebuild trust. By framing her apology in a heartfelt and personal manner, Tammy effectively communicated her intentions and reassured her followers of her commitment to authenticity. Fans' reactions to the apology have been mixed, reflecting the diversity of opinions within the 1000 Sisters community. Many expressed relief and forgiveness, while others continued to scrutinize her behavior. This spectrum of responses illustrates the complex relationship between reality TV stars and their audience, where expectations of authenticity, accountability, and relatability often collide. Experts in psychology and media studies note that public apologies like Tammy's can also serve as a form of self-reflection and emotional processing. By confronting the criticism and articulating her feelings, she may find a sense of closure and personal growth, even as she navigates the external reactions of fans and media outlets. The broader context of Tammy Slaton's apology is intertwined with her ongoing health journey, which has been a central focus of 1000 Sisters. Over the years, viewers have witnessed her struggles with weight loss surgery, dietary changes, and lifestyle adjustment. The scrutiny surrounding her social media behavior is not isolated but part of a larger narrative in which fans are invested in her physical and emotional well-being. The incident also highlights the challenges faced by reality TV stars in balancing personal expression with public responsibility. Tammy's candidness has always been a defining feature of her persona, but moments like these remind stars and audiences alike of the responsibilities that come with visibility. The apology may serve as a learning moment, both for Tammy and for fans, emphasizing empathy, understanding, and the complexities of human behavior. As the story continues to develop, it is likely that Tammy will use this experience to inform her future interactions with fans. The reality star has shown resilience in the face of criticism before, and this episode may strengthen her ability to navigate public scrutiny. Eve staying true to herself. Her willingness to apologize publicly demonstrates a commitment to growth and connection, values that have long endeared her to viewers of 1000 Sisters. In conclusion, Tammy Slaton's apology after fans called her out serves as a reminder of the intricate dynamics between reality TV personalities and their audiences. It highlights the challenges of authenticity in the digital era, the importance of accountability, and the potential for personal growth even under the spotlight. While fans continue to react and share their opinions, Tammy's heartfelt statement represents a significant step in maintaining her relationship with viewers and reaffirming her commitment to transparency. Her journey, marked by resilience and vulnerability, remains an inspiring testament to the complexities of life under public scrutiny, and this apology adds another chapter to her ongoing story. As the world watches, Tammy Slaton continues to navigate the intersection of fame, personal growth, and expectations, reminding audiences that even reality stars are human, capable of mistakes, reflection, and meaningful apologies. Fans and observers alike will be closely following her next steps, eager to see how she continues to evolve both personally and professionally in the years to come. This incident may also prompt broader conversations about the responsibilities of reality TV stars on social media, the nature of fan engagement, and the role of empathy in digital interactions. For Tammy Slaton, the experience underscores that public visibility comes with challenges, but it also offers opportunities for connection, understanding, and growth. Her apology is not just a response to criticism but a reflection of her willingness to learn and adapt, qualities that resonate deeply with viewers who have followed her journey from the beginning. The dialogue between Tammy and her fans will likely continue, serving as a case study in the delicate balance of authenticity, accountability, and compassion in the modern era of social media and reality television. Tammy Slaton's experience reminds us that public figures, while admired and scrutinized, are navigating their own paths of growth and self-discovery. By acknowledging her mistakes and seeking to make amends, she sets an example for how to confront criticism with humility and grace, ultimately strengthening her connection with fans and reinforcing the authenticity that has long been central to her appeal. This ongoing narrative within the 1000 Sisters universe continues to captivate audiences, providing insight not only into Tammy Slaton's personal journey but also into the broader cultural dynamics of fame, fandom, and the human desire for empathy and understanding. Tammy's apology, therefore, is more than a simple statement. It is a pivotal moment in the unfolding story of a reality TV star who continues to inspire, challenge, and engage viewer in equal measure, demonstrating the complexities of life in the public eye and the enduring power of sincere reflection and heartfelt communication. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.